The number one today is R con R, guitarra. R con R, carril. Rápido ruedan los carros cargados de azúcar del ferrocarril. So the first time was slow, so you understand about what we are talking here. And now let's try to do it this faster. And you need to do it with me. R con R, guitarra. R con R, carril. Rápido ruedan los carros cargados de azúcar del ferrocarril. Oh, it's very easy. In fact, it's not so hard like the other two that we did in the first lesson. R con R, guitarra. R con R, carril. Rápido ruedan los carros cargados de azúcar del ferrocarril. Very fast. And the number two today is slow first. Yo no compro coco porque como poco coco. Como poco coco, compro poco coco como. This one is very hard. I'm sure that when we are going to do this one faster, it will not be so easy, but maybe you manage. So, have you managed to do it? What do you think about that? Yo no compro coco porque como coco. Como poco coco porque como coco, coco poco coco. Okay, let's try again. Yo no compro coco porque como poco coco. Coco poco como, coco poco coco, coco como, coco como. It's very hard this one. Yo no compro coco, coco. Yo no compro coco porque como poco coco. Como poco coco porque como poco coco. Oh, it's more or less. So. Let's try one more time. Yo no compro coco porque como poco coco. It's so slow. Need to be faster. Yo no compro coco porque como poco coco. Como poco coco porque como coco coco. Coco. What is coco, guys? Yo no compro coco porque como poco coco. Como poco coco porque como poco coco. Yo no compro coco porque como poco coco. Yo no como coco porque como poco coco. I don't know, guys. I think you did it better than me. So, guys, you need to repeat this tongue twister a lot. It will be very good practice for you. Let me know in the comments what do you think. It was useful. Do you like this video? Do you want more lessons like this with Trabalenguas, tongue twister? Yes, like and subscribe for future content. And see you in the next video with more tongue twisters in Spanish to practice Spanish. Yes, very useful, guys. And if you haven't watched the lesson number 1 with tongue twister, I advise you to watch now. This is the video. I wait you there. Hasta la vista.